Hi guys, good morning to day 2 in Osaka and vlog 2. So आपको दिखा दो हमारा बाहर का भी होटल कैसे दिख रहा है. So currently this is the hotel look. जो कल एकदम खाली था, अभी लोग एटलीस्ट दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर. तो वैसे अभी हम बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा जल्दी, तो भी अपना ब्रेकफास्ट एंड उसके बाद आई टेक यू गाइस टू ओसाका डिस्ट्रिक्ट. ओ या this is Osaka main place. This is, and we are looking for a SIM card. First thing to do while coming to Japan is get a SIM card, because without that it's difficult to survive here. So we'll get a SIM card. We have done money exchange. हम लोग शिटेनोजी टेम्पल जा रहे हैं एंड ये ट्रेन आ रहा है. तो पूरा पैक मेट्रो है. Finally got down to Shiten-no-Majiwa station and we are now moving to the temple, shrine. I'll show you on the way. It's also one beautiful place. Let's go near it and see what exactly it is. Okay, it's a shrine. ऐसे छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं. इन्होंने लिखा भी यहाँ पर. Take a picture, okay. You can take pictures around here.
फ्ली मार्केट है कि भंगार मार्केट?
ऐसा नको बोलो.
अरे तसंच
Now let's go inside. चलो. Small shops. We are entering the place. Even it's very hot. It's a beautiful place. It's very good. This is the actual shrine, the temple. I cannot videograph inside these shrines, but because there's no photography and videography allowed. So, but आप अगर जब भी आओ, it's very beautiful place, very calm, very nice place. So, किसी को भी आना हो, please आइए इधर. It's a very nice place.
Actually आपण गडबड केला ते आम्हाला अजून एक दोन अट्रॅक्शन्स होते.
That's it. We are done with Shitanoji temple, and now what's the next place?
Harukas
Now we'll go to Harukas 300,
the largest observatory in Osaka.
largest observatory. So वहाँ से आपको पूरा ओसाका का सिटी दिखेगा. अभी that's it with Shitanoji. Osaka city. Funny, yeah, very funny. So I have a doubt. How is Japan so clean? Why can't India be so clean? I'll show you the roads here. See, everybody's driving in their line. Nobody's making any mistake here. Here we have to wait before the signal turns green. See, everybody is going in the line. So now this should turn green because people have stopped. यहाँ पर काफ़ी छोटे सुंदर घर है. इफ़ यू कैन सी, बहुत प्रिटी, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल घर है. द स्काई इज ऑलवेज प्रिटी एंड वी थिंक दैट दैट्स द Harukas 300. दिस वन. लेट्स सी कौन सा होगा. हाँ, बट यार यहाँ पर ऐसे वेंडिंग मशीन्स होते हैं बहुत सारे, बट द वाटर इज़ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव हियर. So I'd suggest always carry a water bottle if you can, filled water bottle, because these are the outskirts of Japan.
चल हे घेऊया का?
हाँ, यही लेते हैं.
600 ml for 100 yen. That comes to around 60 rupees.
60 rupees for
600.
600 ml. We get a 1 liter bottle for 15 rupees or 20 rupees, and your 10 ml, sorry 100 ml, 10 rupees. Let's try. This is the first vending experience
येतं काय?
of Japan.
पैसे पहिले टाकायला लागेल. पैसे इथे इथे
कॉइन आहे तर तिकडे
इथे ना
किती टाकतोय.
100 yen.
हां,
Wow.
that was quick.
Super quick.
It's a cold water bottle.
Nice. Bottle is nice.
Bottle is good. Show me the bottle. Suntory. Is this Suntory? No, it's not Suntory. Some random company. Yadobashi water. What I have just found out, first indiscipline in this country. It's written no bicycle parking and there are only bicycle park here. First indiscipline I've seen. Let's go. Harukas 300 को जाने के लिए we have to take the lift first. But this lift goes up to 14th floor only. Let's see, 14 में जाने के बाद 14th floor पे जाने के बाद we will see which lift or which
We'll figure out.
escalator to take. We'll figure it out. The whole Japan trip is about figuring out things.
करते करते ट्रिप खत्म हो जाएगा.
पूरा ट्रिप फिगर आउट में ही चल रहा है हमारा. We get to the 14th floor. We have to go to 16F for the ticket counter. This is the escalator we are taking. Japan is quite confusing. And the major problem here is that most of the things are written in Japanese. Because English is very less.
And nobody knows.
Like here. And people here don't prefer to talk. That's why we have to figure it out on our own. Yeah, but that's what traveling is.
You can't tell that they don't prefer, but even they prefer, they don't know anything about these things.
And I don't know why most of the people here wear masks
Yeah, and most of the people are clueless.
and clueless. Everybody is looking at their phone.
And everybody is searching for something.
Yeah. You will find many individual people walking here with their head in their phones. So yeah, just in India, how
Social distancing is
हाँ.
a myth.
इंडिया में हम कैसे लोगों को अगर कुछ समझा नहीं तो भी वो अनास पीपल कि ये कहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है.
Being social is a myth.
Being social here is a myth. But if you plan on coming to Japan alone, be ready for this. Yeah, we got our ticket. This is the 16th floor, and they are cleaning the elevator for us, like for everybody.
This kind of cleaning is nowhere in the world.
Yeah, no one knows. Arigato.
And we are fine.
では全員でアベノハルカステーマスイルミネーションフリーステーキはピクチャ
Yeah.
ーブザーバー
We can see
それで真上の方で
the
発想度をイメージいたしまして
Yes. We reached 60th floor. Here, you're watching the Osaka city with me from the top, first time.
This is surely the best observatory in Japan.
Yeah.
No doubt.
Since this is the first one, we think this is one of the best observatory. So this is the complete observatory deck. There are people sitting around. Looks amazing. आप लोग यहाँ के इंडिकेटर्स देख सकते हो ऊपर से, रोड इंडिकेटर्स, ज़ीब्रा क्रॉसिंग वगैरह यहीं से दिखते हैं. हमारे यहाँ मोस्टली हमें मिटे हुए दिखते हैं. कितना क्लीन सिटी है. द ग्लास इज क्लीन, द सिटी इज क्लीन, एवरीथिंग इज सो ब्यूटिफुल हियर. वन मोर थिंग अबाउट दिस ऑब्जर्वेटरी इज द वॉशरूम. पूरा ये पूरा ऐसा ओपन है. 300 हरुकास 300. आपके एक्सपीरियंस में कैसा लगा आपको?
Very nice. Wonderful experience. Surely.
Wonderful. We paid around 3,500 yen per ticket.
2,000 rupees.
So it's around 2,000 rupees. For your information, this is the whole view we are sitting in front of. And this is the Sky Garden. It's a very beautiful place. So yeah, people coming to Osaka should definitely visit Haruka's 300. It's a very beautiful place.
So there will always be a choice between going to Umeda Sky and Haruka's 300. So I feel Haruka's is worth because of the open view that you get from the observatory.
And also, you were very lucky to get a clear sky.
That depends on your luck.
That depends on your luck. But don't remember to pre-book it before.
Don't forget.
Yeah, don't forget to pre-book.
You might not get the best deals after coming here.
Yeah.
You can book
Also there
from Viator, Klook, or any Get Your Guide or anything.
Also, there are timings for your booking. So we pre-booked it from India before coming. That's why we got a good deal. And yeah, we are enjoying the view. And this is the Shitanoji Shrine. This one. From where we came just now. I showed you guys the view of the Haruka's 300. Yeah, that's it. That's it from Haruka's 300. जहाँ से हम आए वही सब विजिट किया. I'll see you either in Kanoji station or directly on the next spot.